The 1991 matchup of Florida State and Miami had the hype of Game of the Year and pretty much lived up to it. Coaches Bobby Bowden and Dennis Erickson led the Breath Hold 16, going on to share the national championship. Bobby Bowden was shocked. Dennis Erickson exultant. Now we come to 92. Florida State ranked third in the nation, led by new quarterback Charlie Ward, who had 8 interceptions in his first 57 pass attempts, but only 1 in his last 74. Seminoles are undefeated. 1992, Miami's toughest opponent has been a hurricane named Andrew. But Gino Torretta is still the man at quarterback and still completing big play passes to a core of catchers for the Canes, catchers that can outrun daylight. And Kevin Williams is still at Miami, showing off the fastest two-step in the game today. The Canes are undefeated, ranked number 2. 91 may have been great, but 92 ain't bad, even before they play the game. ABC Sports College Football today offers a CFA matchup between the Florida State Seminoles and the Miami Hurricanes. Will kick it off. So the game is on as the Canes have the wind at their back. Seminoles looking into it. Here comes Vannevar getting to the outside. Look out! One man. He's gone, but there's a penalty flag on the field. Hold the phone. It's against Miami. The touchdown is going to stand. Have from knee surgery. It's a pass. Torretta to the sideline. Pass is good to Copeland.
So much in this ball game.
Back goes Ward on 3rd down and 18. There's pursuit, chasing him around, and finally he gets his pass away. It's intercepted. Could be a touchdown here. Nope. Ward knocks out Ryan McNeil. He had a man over there to help him on the play, but Mark Caesar could never get in front of Charlie Ward and block him.
This got outside the pocket. You're going to see the man is covered. Charlie Ward gets out now. He's going to throw to the top. The top man goes by. Now he's going to slide, but the outside defensive back, McNeil, sees the ball also and comes.
8 interceptions in his first 57 attempts. That's a solid hit put on Tiger McMillan by Jesse Armstead, a senior out of Dallas, Texas. 2nd down, 11 and a half. Ward back, gets a little heat now, and he's going to go down right about the original line of scrimmage, the 29. And he's got the ball. Trying to pick his way through there. Number 71 ain't buying it. Kenny Lopez. Inside a minute to go, first quarter. Pass, good. Caught by 35. Spencer. Spencer's got a first down. Knocked out of bounds at the 39-yard line. 94-yard run by Vanover. Torretta's pass to the sideline to Lamar Thomas. He's got some room, gets away from one, and then he is dragged out of bounds from behind. And Torretta really took a lick. 10 seconds to go in the first quarter. Torretta hands it away to Bennett. Big run by Bennett. Florida State 24. He looks for Thomas. He got him. Lamar Thomas. And he had a 44-yard try block. He gets this one airborne, and it's right down the highway. Big score there for Miami. It is. That would have been a huge lift for the Seminoles if they'd have turned them away. But it is now 7-3, Florida State. The 14. Trying to run, nothing doing. The Miami defense is now swarming. From the 31-yard line, Torretta dumps it off to Donnell Bennett. Bennett gets a block on the corner and picks up 7 yards.
Tight ends only 1%.
Out of the shotgun, pressure coming, and Ward's down. Number 86, Kevin Patrick, his 2nd sack of the game. The 2nd time he's gotten the quarterback, his first sack.
He was a starter last year, formerly a tight end. Patrick just gets in. Charlie Ward makes a move, but just enough of a force from Patrick to knock him down.
Torretta rolls it out has a little time. Has Coleman. Bell wide open. Touchdown. Something new.
Well, here you go. It's going to be a fake reverse with a man coming back this way. But here's the man that's going to get the ball. The tight end's going to come across. The safety will think it's a reverse and go in the opposite direction. Tight end number 17. Look at the safety come out of the middle of the field. Torretta takes his time, knows he's got a lot of time, waits for Bell to get open.
Torretta now is 10 of 17. Back offense, and Ward gives it to him. And he goes searching for a crack in the door over there, and there isn't one. Dan has not seen the ball today. Ward again gives the ball to McMillan, and he's hunted down by Michael Burrow just about the line of scrimmage. By a blocker has come off the field. Charlie Ward rolls that way, gets a little toe. He's caught from behind by Damon Bethel. Bethel, number 46, is the man who had gone into the ball game. Saturday afternoon scrap between these two old foes, and this is Jonathan Harris. Got some room. Good return outside the 40-yard line. Charlie Ward. Ward almost fell down coming off the snap. Now he gets some heat and takes a lick behind the line of scrimmage, and that's 4 times he has been decked. He fumbled the ball, and Mine has got it. Darren Klein comes out of there with it.
Well, the receivers are covered to the left side. The key coming in, we said, was the offensive line play. Ward stumbles, and I think it's Patrick coming from the left side initially that's going to chase him out and knock the ball loose. Kevin Patrick playing for Medeiros, and the other defensive end, Krein, recovers the ball.
Those two big guys have been terrific all day. Patrick's got him back on the 5. Kevin Patrick. That's 6 on Ward.
I think Rusty Medeiros is not smiling at this point back in Doctor's Hospital watching this ball game. Patrick is playing in for Medeiros on the right side of your screen. He just gets around Stevenson. And Charlie Ward is not an easy man to bring down. What's the offensive team, I'll tell you.
Oh, yes. Ward bootlegs it, throws it, has a man Fryer. It's intercepted, picked off by Paul White. Paul White has blocked a field goal try and intercepted a pass. So Ward hands the ball to Jackson. He's got a problem. Jesse Armstead with the first problem. And other folks, including, put it together up in Madison. Back goes Torretta. 3rd down. They're 1 of 11. In the 4th quarter, Florida State 13 and Miami 10. Torretta's pass, good. Bell's got 2 picked off. He hands the ball away this time to McMillan, and McMillan is in the grasp of Mark. First down for the Noles at the Miami 30-yard line. Charlie Ward throws down the middle, passes caught by Clyde Allen. Clyde Allen down at the 20. The ball comes out, and Miami has recovered it. Bobby Bowden offense, doesn't it? They give it to the deep man, Floyd, William Floyd, and the Canes eat him up. Torretta takes off. Want to get his first down. Slides across midfield and put it away just in time. Put it up high. 100. Make the catch. Touchdown. Upland. Torretta is clobbered on the play. It's Lamar Thomas. Lamar Thomas is the hero under the pile. In the air, and Lamar Thomas ran it down.
That's Abraham, the defensive back. Thomas is 6'3". Abraham is 5'9". The coaching staff knew that. They threw it up.
And Torretta's all right. He comes trotting off the field. Has regained the lead. Charlie Ward. Down he goes. Big sack
man lets him go. He looked around and says, you know, who am I blocking? Offensive line problems. Bowden spoke about it in our pregame, as well as Erickson. 7 sacks now for the Hurricanes on Ward.
Loss of 7 yards. Oh, the ball is on the ground. It's an incomplete forward pass, and Comaric Hanover will not get up. Michael Barrow separated him from his senses. Wow.
That's one of those wide receiver screens. There you see it, and Barrow has seen a few of those, and he's ready for it.
8 snap. High, beautiful kick by Snyder.
You better get out of here.
Out of there, he throws the ball out. Rolling around, my gosh, it's touchdown Miami. I don't believe what I just saw. Corey Sawyer caught the ball on the 1, went back into the end zone, then realized what he had to do, threw the ball forward, which is illegal. Then the ball came out, and let the man in the white hat tell us what the decision is. One man has already signaled touchdown.
There's an illegal forward pass, which was incomplete. When the ball becomes incomplete, there's a foul in the end zone. It's a safety.
Yeah, it's a safety.
Had a punt return, and he ran back to set up one of their plays. Catches that ball. Now he's just going to stay there. Now he says, oh, I better run. This man is a sophomore.
And watch that official right there. He's the one that's going to call touchdown when the ball comes out.
Sawyer didn't run the punts back last year. It's Terrell Buckley.
Won by Evie. We haven't got this thing decided yet. Pulling from Toretta. 3rd down, call it 6. Got to move the chains to stop the clock. Ward's in trouble.
Cannot take a sack. You
8
cannot.
times. He's gone down, and Darren Klein got that one. 39-yarder. Lowry hit it long enough. He missed it to the right. The game is over. And Bobby Bowden wonders why Lord me.
Snap is good. Hold looked good. Looks very familiar.
Does, doesn't it? This time Bobby didn't ask, was it good? This time he knew. That's the depth right there. But it's a game. The sun will come up in the morning right on schedule. Final score, Miami Hurricanes 19, Florida State Seminoles 16.